Welcome to Montana. It's winter, officially. So when you leave your house, you gotta have some gloves because it's pretty cold. Pretty cold. We're doing about 32 degrees now, which is 0 degrees Celsius. And let's hope that it won't be that cold. It's 11 o'clock. Driving at this time gives me goosebumps because this is the time when high school kids leave school and they drive in a very funny manner. So my vehicle is still cold. What I'm doing is trying to keep this as hot as possible, and then this blows a little bit slower, but you feel it. It's relatively 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and loving it. So what I always do is have my gloves, some boots in the boot. We have a scraper that we always have. This is to scrape the ice from the windscreen, and this is just to brush out. So it has to be here. And then we have something that covers the windscreen, because when it freezes, this crystallizes, it just becomes hard. So as a measure, you need to prevent that screen from freezing out, because there's now, when there's snow, so the top part is snow and always the bottom part will be ice. So all you have to do is now make sure your vehicle is full tank, 1 for weight, just to help in the traction, and then 2 to warm up your car. So what I always like doing is, because the garages, people always wake up early, and the garages, that way we park at home. What we do is we start the vehicle and let it warm. So for me, I like my vehicle warming for about 15 minutes before driving, because now the windscreen will have frozen it out and just melted it out. And then when the windscreen is all melted, I'm able to see. And it's funny because you might not use the wipers, because if you use the wipers, they just scrap off. So it feels like it's sunny, but man, I'm literally freezing in the car. And it is funny because inside the car it feels warm, and it feels warm if you're in the sun and facing the sun. So if you're feeling cold, you go to the car, and once you're in the car, it feels warm using the sun. You even don't need to up the temperatures in your car. But man, literally I'm freezing. I need to put just this, it blows a little bit hot air. This is hot air, not by the crazy CJ. So you need to literally blow. So I don't like the hot air blowing up because it dries out my nose. But man, oh, that's my neighbor. Man, it feels just cold. So once I'm dropping the vehicles, I'm going to wear my gloves because it's just too cold. However, Thursday is Thanksgiving and it's going to snow. And the snow will be worse than what we're experiencing now. The temperatures, I think the temperatures, it's predicted to be -5, but it might feel colder than that. And then next week, same time, it will be -20. And then by Christmas, I think it will be getting colder and colder and colder. Colder and colder and colder. It is strange. I thought today kids are being dismissed early. Am I coming in early than expected or what? Because I'm 100% sure the kids are getting dismissed early today.